Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just was playing around with this halftone that I've never really get to play around with it because as a laser engraver we don't really use. I might even try to engrave this sometimes. But if you look at the difference between these two examples, this one has a clear, sharp letter on top of it, and this one, the halftone is actually going into the yellow. So if you watch my first two videos on that, you ought to be able to keep up and just show you how to do this part. So I've got my text. I'm going to go up to effects and contour. I'm going to contour to the inside, just get a little bit of contour. Now I'm going to select it all. Don't even really have to do that, but I'm going to go and break the contour part. And then I'm going to fill in the outline segment, not the whole letter, just what's showing. And I'm going to have to cursor down because I'm going to have to do each piece. But this takes just a second, and it pretty much gives it a pretty cool effect. And this is another way you could just do the outside of the letter and not do the inside of the letter. So we now have these halftone, and now this is broken apart. So we can grab the outer contour and nudge it up. So this is what we want. I'm going to take this and make this yellow, just like in the previous video. I'm actually going to take away the outline. But then I'm going to take this, just an outline, basically, of that text, and I'm going to go to Effects, Blur, Gaussian Blur, do it about that far. You could play around that, to as much as you want, and then go up to Effects and go to Color Transform, Halftones. And if you remember from the videos before, I took away all the color, so it's just black. But watch what happens when I nudge this up now. In the previous ones, well, I had that sharp letter. Now it's showing through, and as a printer, it might be a pretty cool effect. So you've got some white, you've got some black, you've got some yellow dots, and it kind of looks like it looks like it's fuzzy because I fuzzied it. So there's a totally different way to do it and get two different looks. Here's that yellow with the solid background. So there's really no dots on the inside, they're only on the outside. Hope that made a little bit of sense. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.